If you're experiencing login errors on DoorDash, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double-check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the DoorDash app. Visit your device's app store to check for updates and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're reusing the app, go to your device settings, find the DoorDash app, and clear its cache. This can help resolve any temporary data issues causing login errors. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to DoorDash customer support for assistance. They can help identify any account-specific issues or technical problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on DoorDash. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.